Alright guys, it's me down here, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing video of this Bell & Howell socket ceiling fan, also known as socket fan light. As seen on TV, 1000 lumens, 5000 Kelvin cool LED, free fan speeds, free light settings, no wiring. Comes with recessed light extender included, remote control included. So we'll break open the box, see what's inside. First things first, they gave you instructions, which I don't know why it's in a plastic wrap, but yeah. Some cardboard, always fun. And we got some blades here. Got extender blades. Not sure what that thing is, I'll have to look at that. Here's the motor itself, along with the remote. So, I will get this set up, but for now, what I'll do is assemble this, and then mount it up in my closet and show you different directions, different locations I can use this thing on later. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.